In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove friends from Monopoly Go. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Monopoly Go on your device and sign in to your Monopoly Go account. So you'll be welcomed with a few deals on the platform that you can avail if you want to get additional dice and Monopoly Go money. You'll also be able to view your board report. Once you open the platform, it will inform you of what happened on your board since you were gone. Now go ahead and click on the friends section. In here, go ahead and head over to the leaderboard section, and in this section you'll be able to find your friends. Click on the friend that you want to remove and click on the remove button. Once you click on the remove button, you'll need to confirm the removal of this friend on your Monopoly Go account. After you confirm the removal of this friend for your account, you'll be able to remove that friend from your friends list on Monopoly Go. And that's how you can simply remove friends on Monopoly Go. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.